Today, we're exploring one of the most influential books ever written about money, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about understanding the psychology behind every financial decision you make. The biggest financial decisions aren't driven by intelligence alone. They're shaped by emotions, experiences, habits, and the stories we've believed throughout our lives. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about human behavior, emotions, and the choices we make every day. Every financial decision you make is influenced by experiences you've carried since childhood. The same opportunity can lead to completely different decisions because every mind sees money differently. Each of us lives inside a unique financial bubble, shaped by our own experiences and beliefs. Let's uncover the 18 psychological traps that silently shape our financial decisions, starting with the very first one. The first psychological trap is believing that we're always logical when it comes to money. Two people can look at exactly the same opportunity and make completely opposite financial decisions. We all live inside our own financial bubble, believing our experiences represent reality. True financial wisdom begins when we accept that our perspective is only one of many, not the absolute truth. The second trap is believing that success is completely under our control. Hard work matters, but luck and unexpected events often shape the final outcome more than we realize. Every financial journey is influenced by invisible forces that nobody can completely control. Recognizing the role of luck makes us more humble, more resilient, and better prepared for the unexpected. Work hard, stay humble, and remember that success is never built on effort alone. The third trap is believing the story instead of the reality. We often believe attractive stories without seeing the hidden reality behind them. Every success story hides years of invisible effort, failure, patience, and sacrifice. Good financial decisions are built on evidence, not exciting stories. Always question the story, search for the facts, and let evidence guide your financial decisions. The fourth trap is believing we make financial decisions like a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet never feels fear, but people do. Our emotions often override our logic. During uncertainty, emotions push many people to sell at exactly the wrong moment. Long-term success comes from being emotionally reasonable, not perfectly logical. The best investors don't eliminate emotion. They learn to manage it with patience and discipline. The fifth trap is chasing more than you'll ever truly need. Many people spend their lives chasing more, believing happiness is always one step ahead. When enough is never enough, even great success can be destroyed by unnecessary risk. True wealth begins the moment you decide what enough means for your own life. The richest people aren't those who have the most, but those who know when they already have enough. The sixth trap is believing that expensive possessions automatically earn respect and admiration. Most people don't admire you. They're imagining themselves owning what you have. Kindness, humility, and integrity create lasting respect, far more than luxury possessions ever can. The greatest investment you can make isn't in luxury goods. It's in the person you become. People may notice your possessions for a moment, but they'll remember your character for a lifetime. The seventh trap is believing that looking rich means being rich. Real wealth is often invisible. It isn't what people see, it's what you choose not to spend. Every dollar you don't spend becomes a seed that can grow into future freedom. True wealth isn't about owning more things. It's about owning your time and your freedom. Looking wealthy may impress people for a moment. Building real wealth can change your entire life. The eighth trap is mistaking fear for wisdom. Fear spreads faster than facts, causing many people to make emotional financial decisions. The people who build lasting wealth aren't the ones who predict every market move. They're the ones who stay invested while everyone else gives up. Temporary fear can cost a lifetime of opportunity. Stay calm, think long-term, and let patience become your greatest financial advantage. The ninth trap is believing you only need to save when you have a specific goal. Savings aren't just money. They create choices, flexibility, and the freedom to respond when life changes. Life is unpredictable. Savings don't just buy things. They protect you when the unexpected happens. Every dollar you save creates another option for your future. Savings give you the freedom to choose instead of being forced to react. Don't save only for a purchase. Save because financial freedom begins with having choices when life changes. The 10th trap is wanting investment gains without accepting the emotional ride that comes with them. Market volatility isn't a punishment. It's the admission price every successful investor must be willing to pay. Short-term fear often hides a long-term story of growth. Every long investment journey includes setbacks. Those who keep moving forward are the ones who eventually reach their destination. The difference between success and failure often comes down to who stays patient when markets become uncomfortable. The 11th trap is believing that getting rich is harder than staying rich. In reality, protecting wealth requires an entirely different mindset. Making money requires ambition. Keeping money requires discipline, patience, and careful risk management. Years of hard work can be undone by one careless decision, driven by overconfidence or greed. Long-term wealth belongs to those who survive difficult times, not those who chase every opportunity. Building wealth is impressive, but protecting it is what creates financial freedom that lasts for generations. The 12th trap is believing your financial plan will unfold exactly as expected. No matter how carefully you plan, life will always surprise you. The smartest financial plans leave room for mistakes, uncertainty, and unexpected challenges. Success doesn't belong to those who predict every change. It belongs to those who adapt. A perfect plan isn't the goal. A flexible plan that survives uncertainty is the real path to lasting wealth. The 13th trap is underestimating the incredible power of time. Small actions repeated for decades create extraordinary results. Compounding doesn't look impressive in the beginning, but given enough time, even the smallest investment can grow into something extraordinary. History shows that extraordinary wealth often comes not from extraordinary returns, but from staying invested for an extraordinarily long time. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Small actions repeated every day become life-changing over time. Don't underestimate time. When patience meets consistency, compounding quietly creates wealth beyond what most people will imagine. The 14th trap is forgetting that extraordinary success is incredibly rare, yet it drives most long-term wealth. In investing, a single exceptional winner can outperform hundreds of average investments. You can't benefit from rare opportunities if you quit before they arrive. Staying in the game is part of the strategy. Rare opportunities reward those with patience. The biggest successes often arrive after long periods of waiting. Great wealth isn't built by winning every time. It's built by staying patient long enough to capture the few opportunities that truly matter. The 15th trap is spending money to buy things, while unknowingly selling your most valuable asset, your time. Every unnecessary purchase may cost more than money. It can cost years of your working life. Real wealth is waking up each day with the freedom to decide how you spend your time. The highest purpose of money is not luxury. It's giving you the freedom to choose your own life.
The richest people aren't those who own the most things. They're the ones who own the most control over their time.
The 16th trap is believing that anyone can predict the future with certainty.
The biggest events that shape our financial future are often the ones nobody expects. Financial success comes from preparing for uncertainty, not from predicting every storm before it arrives. Strength isn't about resisting every challenge. It's about staying flexible enough to survive whatever comes next. No one can predict the future with certainty. The wisest investors prepare for uncertainty instead of trying to control it. The 17th trap is believing you'll always want the same things you want today. As we grow older, our priorities naturally change. Success today may not be success tomorrow. The best financial plans leave room for your future self to make different choices without regret. True wealth gives you the freedom to adapt your life as your dreams and values evolve. Don't build a financial plan only for who you are today. Build one that still works for the person you'll become tomorrow.
The 18th trap is copying people who aren't playing the same financial game as you.
Different people have different goals, time horizons, and risks. Copying them without understanding their game often leads to costly mistakes.
Financial success isn't about beating someone else. It's about building a life that matches your own values and priorities.
The greatest financial advantage comes from staying committed to your own plan instead of chasing someone else's success.
The best financial strategy is the one you can follow consistently because it fits your own goals, your own timeline, and your own life. Each lesson may seem different, but together they reveal one powerful truth. Wealth is shaped more by behavior than by knowledge. The greatest investment you will ever make is improving the way you think. Change your mindset, and your financial decisions begin to change as well.
Real wealth is rarely loud or dramatic. It grows quietly through patience, consistency, and thousands of wise decisions made over time.
The psychology of money teaches that lasting wealth isn't built by chasing perfection. It's built through patience, humility, emotional control, and the courage to stay the course. Knowledge alone won't change your future. The journey begins when these lessons become your daily habits. The true purpose of money is not to impress strangers. It is to create freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Your financial future won't be shaped by one perfect decision. It will be shaped by hundreds of small, wise choices made consistent. The psychology of money isn't just a book about investing. It's a guide to understanding the emotions, habits, and decisions that quietly shape your entire financial future.
If you're serious about improving your relationship with money, this is one of the most valuable books you can read. Its lessons remain relevant for every stage of life. Bookvein gives The Psychology of Money 5 out of 5 stars. It's a timeless masterpiece that can change not only how you invest, but how you think about wealth itself.
If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Bookvein for more powerful book summaries, timeless ideas, and life-changing lessons from the world's greatest authors.